As urban areas expand, the need for efficient and adaptable housing solutions becomes more pressing. This design, tailored for a compact 9-meter by 20-meter plot, encapsulates the principles of modern architecture while integrating features suited to tropical climates. With a focus on maximizing space, ensuring sustainability, and enhancing livability, this 3-story house offers a harmonious blend of contemporary style and environmental responsiveness. The architectural concept revolves around merging modern design aesthetics with tropical elements. The house embraces a minimalist approach, emphasizing simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. However, it also incorporates features to address the challenges posed by tropical climates, such as high temperatures, humidity, and heavy rainfall. Designing a facade for a west-facing tropical house requires careful consideration to mitigate heat gain and ensure adequate ventilation. Using bricks in the facade offers both functional and aesthetic advantages, particularly for sun protection and ventilation. This approach marries traditional and modern elements, creating a striking and efficient facade. Adjacent to the living room, the dining area and kitchen form an open-plan layout. The kitchen is equipped with modern appliances and features an island that doubles as a casual dining spot. Sliding glass doors open to a small patio or garden, allowing for indoor-outdoor living. Designing a bedroom in a tropical, small, modern urban house requires a thoughtful approach to ensure comfort, functionality, and climate responsiveness. The goal is to create a restful retreat that balances modern aesthetics with practical features for thermal comfort, natural ventilation, and efficient use of space. Design the bedroom with windows on opposite walls or adjacent walls to facilitate cross-ventilation. This ensures a constant flow of fresh air, reducing the need for artificial cooling. The third floor features a rooftop terrace that can be used for various activities, such as dining, gardening, or lounging. This space maximizes the limited ground area by providing additional outdoor space. small garden provides a green buffer from the urban surroundings and serves as a space for relaxation and social activities. The tropical small modern urban house on a 9-meter by 20-meter plot exemplifies a thoughtful approach to contemporary living in a tropical climate. Its design balances modern aesthetics with practical considerations for sustainability, adaptability, and comfort. By integrating climate-responsive features, sustainable practices, and functional spaces, this house provides a versatile and appealing solution for urban living, offering a harmonious blend of style and environmental responsiveness. The floor plan of this 3-story tropical urban house on a 9-meter by 20-meter plot maximizes space with a functional layout. The ground floor features an open-plan living and dining area that flows into a modern kitchen, alongside a small patio garden for natural ventilation and light.